Grade 2 Parayana Padal Margabandhu Stotram. Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Bhalavanamrat Kiridam Bhalanetrachisadhagdapanjeshu Kidam Shulahatarathikudam Shuddhamarthenduchudam Bhaje Margabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva.
Namaste children. Today we are going to see what are things made of book exercise. Now we are going to do the activity. I will show you the objects. You have to say it's a natural material or artificial material, man-made things, everything you have to say. Okay. Look at these materials. These are natural materials we get naturally from plants. Okay, this is a cotton. Cotton we get from plants. This is also a natural material. Our Majis use no chalk. Chalk வந்து எதில இருந்து கிடைக்குது? We get from rocks. பாறையில இருந்து இந்த rocks வந்து chalk ஓட chalk வந்து made பண்றாங்க. Okay, then you all use this, no? This is a eraser. It's made of rubber. We get the rubber from rubber tree. This is also a rubber we get from rubber tree. Then this one everyone know. This is a stone. It is a natural material. Then this is made of wood. We make things from wood. Okay. This is book. Book is made of what, ma? It's made of paper. We get paper from the wood. Okay. This is also made of wood. So these are natural material. This is also made of wood. Pencil. You use pencil வந்து woodல made பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So it is a natural material. Then now I am going to see you artificial material. Okay. Now I am going to show you artificial material. What are artificial materials? Man-made materials is also called artificial materials. So in the plastic yaar made பண்றா? It's made by man. So இதனால இது வந்து என்னது? Artificial material. This ball is also made by plastic. Then see the sheet. It is a transparent material. We can see this through the other side. Okay. So this is a transparent material. We are using CDs, no? It's a non-transparent material. This sharpener is also made of plastic. Plastic is a artificial. What is this? What this man is doing? He is making furnitures. We make furnitures using wood. Next, this is a tire. We are use this in a vehicle, no? Yes. So it's made of rubber. This is gumboot. It is also made of rubber. This one we already saw. Cotton. Cotton is made from plants. We get cotton from plants. Next one is jute. Everyone is having jute bags in your home, no? Yes, we already saw in the last video. So this is jute. Then this one is a handbag. It's made of leather. Leather handbags என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, இது வந்து அனிமலோட ஸ்கின்ல இருந்து மேக் பண்ணுவாங்க. Then we get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. From that we are making sweaters, mufflers. It makes us warm. This is a candle, wax candle. It's made of wax. Next one, it is a natural material, clay pot. Then this is also a natural material we are using daily in our home. Silver. Everyone is wearing silver ornaments, no? So this is a silver. Then this is a gold. We are using gold ornaments. This is a gold. Next one is a glass window. Glass window is a artificial material. This is a cement. Cement is also a artificial material. Then you know this. This is a plastic. Plastic is made by man. So it is a artificial material. It's also a plastic. Choose the correct answer. If we say a material is artificial, it means the material is artificial materials, no? It made by whom? Is a plant product, an animal product from the earth made by people. So what's the answer? Artificial materials made by people. So you have to circle it. Then you have to write it here. Made by people. P-O-P-L-E. Made by people. Then second one, cotton is a or an dash material. Cotton is a what material? No? Natural, no? Artificial, animal, earth. What material cotton is a? Cotton is a natural material. So first one you have to circle it. Natural. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural is. Find out the remaining two. Okay. Then now we are going to see the filling the blanks. Next, filling the blanks. We get rubber and wood from. Where we get rubber and wood from? We get from plants. What is the spelling? Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Second one, leather and fur are made from the dash of animals. Leather வந்து எதுல இருந்து மேட் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு மாத்தி சொன்னேன். Yes, it's made from the skin of animals. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Skin of animals is made as leather. We make windows and mirrors from. Windows and mirrors are made from glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. Then last one, dash is strong, light and lasts for a long time. இது வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும், லைட்டா இருக்கும், then last for long time. ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு இருக்கும். What is the material name? It's a plastic. Plastic P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic. Then now we are going to see the another one exercise. Read the clues and name the material. An example is done for you. So they are giving you the clue to write the answer. You have to find out the material, what material it is from this, using this clue. Okay. First one is, they gave one example, that is animal products, soft, made into candles. So which animal product is made as a candle? It's a wax. So second one, now we are going to do the first two. This two you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Plant product cut into shapes used to make furnitures. From which we make furnitures? We use wood to make furnitures. What is the spelling of wood? W-O-O-D. Wood. Then second one, animal product made into thread used to make winter clothes. So it's a animal. Second one, animal product made into thread used to make winter clothing. So what is that? Animal product we are using made into thread used to make winter clothing. What is that? It's a wool. What is the spelling wool? W-O-O-L. Wool. This two you have to do it by yourself. I will read this now. Made from sand. Transparent. Breaks easily. Again, I am going to read the third one. Made from sand. Transparent. Breaks easily. Fourth one. Artificial material. Light and strong. Used to make thin bags. Again, I am going to read the fourth one. Artificial material, light and strong, used to make thin bags. Find out the answer. Thank you.